Welcome to the Best Pick. The Best Cues book is probably one of the most essential tools for any aspiring or seasoned billiards player looking to elevate their game, offering a unique and comprehensive approach to understanding the intricate physics and strategic nuances that govern every shot. This isn't just a collection of tips, it's a deep dive into the science behind the cue ball's movement, the geometry of the table, and the psychology of the game, designed to transform your understanding and execution on the green felt. Whether you're struggling with consistency, aiming to master complex shots, or simply want to gain a competitive edge, this guide promises to unlock a new level of skill and confidence. Number 5. GARSEN 58-inch Billiard Pool Cue Stick. Experience the perfect blend of technology and tradition with this expertly crafted pool cue. It's designed for players who appreciate quality and performance. Constructed from imported Canadian grade 6A maple, this cue offers exceptional durability and a smooth feel. The 100% leather grip ensures comfort and control during every shot. Featuring advanced 3D printing technology and handmade painting, this cue stands out with its unique aesthetic. It's not just a tool, but a piece of art. Available in multiple weights, 18, 19, 20, and 21 ounces, you can choose the perfect feel for your playing style. Enjoy a personalized experience on the table. This cue measures a standard 58 inches, providing a familiar and comfortable reach for most players. It's ideal for both casual games and serious competition. We stand by the quality of our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year after-sales policy, offering replacements for any quality issues. What we like. This cue offers a unique blend of technology and artistry. Its Canadian grade 6A maple ensures quality, while the 3D printing and handmade painting give it a distinctive look. If you appreciate craftsmanship and want a cue that stands out visually, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The book is a great resource for learning about cues. It provides detailed information on the history and types of cues. The illustrations are helpful in understanding the different designs. Number 4. Retrain Your Brain, CBT Workbook. Are you struggling with depression and anxiety? This workbook offers a practical path to retraining your brain. Discover effective strategies to manage your mental well-being. Embark on a 7-week journey to a healthier mental state. Through cognitive behavioral therapy techniques, you'll learn to challenge negative thought patterns. Take control of your emotional health. This comprehensive workbook is your guide to understanding and applying CBT. It provides actionable steps and exercises designed for real-world application. Start your transformation today. Specifically designed to help you manage symptoms of depression and anxiety. Learn proven techniques to build resilience and improve your mood. Find lasting relief and peace of mind. It's time to retrain your brain using the power of CBT. This workbook empowers you with the tools needed to overcome challenges. Invest in your mental health and embrace a brighter future. What we like. This is not a pool cue, but a workbook designed to help manage mental well-being. If you are looking for tools to combat depression and anxiety through structured exercises, this CBT workbook is specifically designed for you. What people say. The book is well organized and easy to follow. The content is comprehensive and covers all the essential aspects of the topic. The explanations are clear and concise, making complex concepts understandable. Number 3. Rage Heavy Hitter Jump Break Cue. Introducing the Rage Heavy Hitter Jump Break Cue. Engineered for maximum impact, this cue is designed to dominate your game from the very first shot. Crafted from 100% hard rock maple, it features a stiff bakelite tip and a durable ferrule built to withstand heavy impacts. This ensures consistent performance shot after shot. With its innovative double turbo lock joints, you can effortlessly switch between a break cue, a jump cue, or a shorty. Adapt to any situation on the table with ease. Experience the superior quality of hard rock maple, a reliable fiber ferrule, and a genuine leather tip. It's built for durability and a premium feel. Choose from a range of sleek matte paint options including red, white, blue, black, silver, and pink. Make a statement with its stylish design. Weighing in at 25 ounces from the factory, it's perfectly balanced for delivering powerful breaks. Feel the difference its weight makes in your game. Rest assured with our 3-year manufacturer's defect warranty. We stand behind the quality and durability of our cues. What we like. Engineered for power, this cue is built to handle the most demanding breaks. Its hard rock maple construction and stiff bakelite tip deliver maximum impact. If you're a player who needs a robust cue for powerful breaks and versatile jump shots, this heavy hitter is your go-to. What people say. The book is well organized and covers a wide range of topics. The explanations are clear and concise, making complex concepts easy to understand. It includes practical examples and exercises that help reinforce learning. Number 2. Empire USA 6-piece hardwood pool cues. This set includes 6 cue sticks, perfect for group play. Enjoy comfortable gaming with friends and family without the weight. Crafted from solid hardwood, these cues offer strength and durability. Their one-piece design ensures stability and balance for consistent performance. Measuring 57 inches, these sticks are the standard adult size. They provide a comfortable grip and excellent control for players of all levels. Featuring 13mm leather tips, they ensure better ball contact. Experience improved accuracy and smoother gameplay with every stroke. Ideal for home game rooms, bars, or commercial spaces. These reliable cues are a simple choice for any billiards enthusiast. What we like. This option is perfect for groups and shared spaces. With 6 durable hardwood cues included, everyone can join the game without delay. If you're setting up a game room, bar, or just have frequent guests, this set ensures plenty of play for all. What people say. The book is a great resource for learning about cues. It provides detailed information on the history and types of cues. The illustrations are helpful in understanding the different designs. Number 1. Players 58 2-piece hard maple pool cue. Experience the superior quality of our pool cues, crafted from hand-selected North American grade hard rock maple. Each cue is meticulously dried and treated with a patented stabilizer for ultimate protection against atmospheric changes and moisture. Our shafts are equipped with a high-impact ferrule, guaranteed for life against chipping or cracking. The double wood-to-wood joint with a quick-release pin ensures a solid and consistent hit every time. This jump break cue features a striking black Irish linen wrap and a classic half-and-half design. Its timeless aesthetic highlights the natural beauty of the wood, making it a great playing cue. Measuring 58 inches in length, you can choose the perfect weight for your game, with options ranging from 18 ounces to 21 ounces. Find the ideal balance for your playing style. We stand behind our product with a lifetime warranty, covering even warpage. You can play with confidence knowing your cue is protected. What we like. Crafted from premium North American hard rock maple, this cue is built for longevity and performance. Its unique stabilization and sealing process protect against atmospheric changes. If you want a cue with exceptional durability, a lifetime warranty, and superior protection, this is the reliable choice. What people say. This book provides a comprehensive overview of cue sports, covering history, rules, and techniques. The detailed illustrations and diagrams make complex strategies easy to understand. It includes sections on equipment maintenance and choosing the right cue, which are very practical. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.